Welcome back to the FDIC Money Smart Series module entitled To Your Credit. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. In this segment, we'll talk about credit repair scams. Only consistent efforts in making payments on your debts will improve your credit. Therefore, it's important to choose your credit counseling agency carefully. Some businesses make promises about repairing your credit they can't deliver. Beware of companies that promise to erase your bad credit or to remove bankruptcies and judgments from your credit file. No one can have accurate information removed from their credit report. Something else to watch for is the promise of fast and easy credit repair. If you have bad credit, it can take years to repair your credit legitimately.
Also beware of offers to create new identities for you. If you make false statements on loan applications or use a fake Social Security number, you're committing a fraud. You can also be charged with mail or wire fraud if you also use the mail or telephone to apply for credit and provide false information. Now, disreputable agencies will want you to pay for credit repair services before providing any service. Legitimate companies provide a service to you before requesting payment. Some to watch out for will not tell you your rights and what you can actually do yourself. Remember, you can order your own credit report. You can do it yourself. If you see errors on your report, you can also request that the credit reporting agencies make appropriate changes. Many states have laws that regulate credit repair companies. And before signing a contract with them, check with your local Better Business Bureau, your state attorney general's office, or your local consumer protection agency to see whether complaints have been filed against that company. Now I'm going to read a few credit repair scams, and I want you to think about what I'm about to say. Think about whether or not this is a scam or not. Ready? Okay, here goes. The credit repair agency promised to erase negative information on your credit and remove bankruptcies and judgments from your credit file. Do you think a reputable company would do that? Well, the answer is no. Again, no one can have accurate information removed from your credit report. Now, how about if it makes an offer to give you a no Social Security number? I'm sure that you now know that the answer is no to that one. No one can create a new identity for you. If you make false statements on loans or applications, or use a fake Social Security number, you're committing a fraud. You can also be charged with mail fraud or wire fraud if you use the mail or telephone to apply for credit and provide false information. Now, what about the agencies that offer fast and easy credit repair? Again, it can take years to repair bad credit legitimately. This concludes the FDIC Money Smart Series module, To Your Credit. I'm John Hurley, the Financial Literacy Consultant for the Apache Junction Public Library. Thank you for watching.